Hello folks, this is Ted White, and today I'm going to show you how to sync audio and video for multicam editing in CapCut Mobile Pro version. Let's check it out. Alright folks, so the first thing you're going to want to do today is tap on the CapCut Mobile application icon, alright, to open it up. So we're just going to tap on this particular icon right here. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to use a mouse to give you a better visual representation, okay? So you're then going to want to open up a new project. So tap on new project. And then what you're going to want to do to pull off a multicam edit using CapCut Mobile is you're going to want to have two cameras shooting at two different angles. You're going to want to make sure that they're recording both video and audio. All right, so make sure that the microphones are turned on for both because we're actually going to sync up the videos using the audio waveform, okay? So once you hit record on both, so you'll hit record on one of them, you'll hit record on the other one, all right? And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clap like 3 to 5 times, okay? We're going to use the first clap as a reference point for syncing the audio and video, all right? And I'm gonna show you how to do that, and we're gonna start right now. So what I do is I have two different clips at two different camera angles. So I'm just gonna tap on both clips, okay? And then I'm gonna click add. All right, it just so happens that the good audio that I have is on the first clip on the timeline here, okay? But let's say if I wanted to use the second clip, because that had the better audio, then I would just highlight this particular clip, move it to the right, and then we could use this clip first. But I'm just gonna switch this back up because I like the audio for this one. So the next thing is I shot this one at 16 by 9, but I actually want this to be in 9 by 16 because the other clip is in 9 by 16, okay? So in order to change the aspect ratio, you just tap off of everything, okay? Make sure nothing's highlighted and just go to your right here. And then you just go to aspect ratio right here. You will tap on that. And then we're just gonna tap on 916. Now it's only taking up a portion of the screen here. We want it to take up the whole thing. So it just says use both fingers to resize your video. So you just go like, you press with 2 fingers and that will zoom in, okay? And then you just make sure that it's taking up the full screen here, which it is, and just make sure I'm in the middle. Then I'm just gonna skim through this a bit just to make sure my head's in the middle. So it is perfect. Now we can get this tutorial started. So the first thing we're gonna do is you're gonna wanna highlight the video clip right here. So you just wanna tap on this video clip, then you're gonna wanna go down to the bottom and scroll to the right, okay? And once you scroll to the right here, what you're looking for is extract audio. So you're gonna wanna tap on that, and then you're just gonna wanna look up here and look for when you start to clap, okay? So I'm gonna scroll ahead, and that's the first clap. There's 3 of them, but we're just gonna go to the first one here. Then you're gonna center your attention from here. You're gonna wanna look down where it says extracted audio, okay? And what we wanna do is we wanna zoom in on the timeline because we wanna make the sync as accurate as possible. So in order to zoom in on the timeline, we're just gonna push, okay? With these 2 fingers on the empty spot down here, okay? So you just push, push, and push until you can't push anymore and the screen doesn't move anymore, okay? And what that means is it's down to 1 frame per second and it makes things as accurate as possible. So it goes 10, 11, 12 here, okay? So then what you do is you just put the playhead as close to the middle as you can get it, all right? And then this is our reference point. So this is in the middle of the first clap, in the middle of the diamond, okay? And the diamond is just the clap up here. And then what you're gonna wanna do is press split on the diamond, okay? With that highlighted, just press split. And then you're just gonna wanna tap up here to the video clip. And then with the playhead in the same location, just press split. All right, that's all you gotta do. And then what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna delete this portion of the clip. So I'm gonna select delete, all right? Now that drags the video all the way to the front of the playhead here to the left, but the audio does not do that. So I'm gonna just zoom out for you here just to show you it still has the audio right here. So if you tap on the audio, okay? So you'll tap on the audio and then you'll select delete and it won't move to the front This automatically moved to the left to the start of the playhead. The video did, but any overlays or audio will stay where it is. So since that's the case, if you want to move this all the way to the left, which is what we want to do because we wanted to delete the first little bit and then we want this synced with that, we just tap on this and drag it to the left. And that's all you got to do, okay? And now our audio and video are synced, okay? And we have our reference point. Now we're gonna make the exact same reference point with the second clip, okay? And how we're gonna do that is we're just gonna scroll over to the second clip. We're gonna highlight the second clip, all right? So you just tap on it and then we're gonna scroll over and follow the same process here. So we're gonna scroll over until we see extract audio, which is right here, and we're gonna tap on that. Okay, sometimes it goes down here. It's not a big deal. You can just click on that or do whatever, and eventually you'll get it to the right spot. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna look for the clap, okay? So we're gonna look up here, center our attention to the first clap. So we have 3 claps, but we'll just go to this particular clap right here, okay? And what we're gonna do is the same thing. We're just going to push with our 2 fingers in the open space here to zoom in as much as we can on the timeline, all right? So we just push and push and push some more and then just get to that first clap right here and see the diamond. It's not the exact same shape, but it's very close, and we just want in the center of it, okay? So we want into the center of it, just like we got into the center of the other one, all right? And then all we do for this is we just highlight. So you're just going to tap on the audio waveform, select split. And then what we can do here is just select delete. Okay, so we'll delete this portion because that's the start. This will be the start of our reference point for both clips. Okay, so we're just going to delete that portion. And then we're just going to come up here and we are going to select split. Make sure the playhead's in the same location, okay? Select split, and then we're going to delete that. Now, what you're gonna notice is that we lost our audio. Our audio stayed back there, remember, because the video on the main layer here always goes, it always links to the left when it can. And so this linked up against the end of the other video. So if I scroll out, just by going like this on the timeline, then we can see that our audio is down here, which you just tap right here, it'll come back. And then what we need to do is we need to tap on this. Okay, so we need to tap on this, hold, drag it to our left. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. You just tap, drag it, release, tap, drag it, and then you'll feel like a pulse. And there we go, okay? It'll eventually go over there. So now we have this all synced up. So we're good to go. Our next step is we can delete the bad audio, which is this audio. This audio for this clip is the good audio, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video. This is the bad audio. So we're just gonna select this and we're gonna tap on delete, okay? The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on this second video, not the first one, but the second. We're gonna scroll over until we see overlay here, and we're gonna tap on that, okay? And then simply what we're gonna do for this is we are going to tap on this, hold the tap, and drag it all the way to the left, okay? And now we have audio and video synced. So just tap down here and that we have our 3 layers. So every time you can only see one layer, you can just tap down here and then it'll bring the layers back, okay? So what we're gonna do is look up here, okay? So we have claps here, and then at one point I start to open my mouth, okay? So right before I open my mouth, we'll make this the starting point of the video, all right? So how we're gonna do this is we're going to select the audio, okay? We're gonna select the audio layer and then we're gonna hit split. So I hit split and then I'm gonna select the video layer here. This is the main video layer. I'm gonna select split. I'm gonna click off and I'm gonna select this layer right here, which is the overlay. And then I'm gonna select split, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this portion for the overlay. I'm gonna click off. It's gonna show the audio. I'm gonna delete. So make sure that you highlight the extracted audio by tapping on it and then select delete. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete this portion of the video, okay? And this is gonna slide this main track over. These two tracks will remain here, so we're actually gonna have to slide these over too, because we need this all synced together, okay? So I'm gonna delete this. As you can see, it slid over. Now we're not synced, but we're gonna change that. We're gonna click on this video. So we're gonna click on the overlay or tap on the overlay. And then what we're gonna do is drag it to our left all the way. And then we're gonna tap off. We're gonna tap on our audio and we're gonna drag it all the way to the left. There. So now we have everything synced up, all right? So I'll play this. Hello folks, this is Ted White. And today I'm gonna show you how to sync. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so now what the objective is when I'm looking at a particular camera, like I'm looking at this one, I want that camera to be focusing. I want that camera to be the focus, okay? So as you can see at the beginning, the overlay is showing to be the focus, but we don't want that. We want the other camera being the focus because that's the one I'm looking at. So how you do this is we're gonna split. We're gonna make a split right about here as I start to move my head. Notice how I move my head to this camera? That's when we want the overlay to be the focus, but not quite there. So it's when you just start to move your head is the best time to do it. Right about there. I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna click split. I'm gonna delete this portion. Okay, let's take a look at this. Hello folks, this is Ted White, and today I'm gonna show you how to sync audio and video for multicam editing. Okay, so now we're gonna do another split, okay? So that's all looking good. And right before I start to move, right after I start to move, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put another split. So I'm gonna put split right here. So you just tap on split, okay? And then you scroll forward. And then you leave it here until you start to move to the other camera, right about there, okay? And then you tap on split, all right? So I'm gonna delete this portion, okay? And then this is where I wanna be for the last little bit. And I kinda want it to end right about there. Okay, maybe a little bit afterwards. Let's just take a look here. I'm just trying to get the right spot. So right about there. Okay, so I'm gonna tap and here we go. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to tap on this particular video. I'm gonna put split and then I'm gonna put delete, okay? I'm gonna tap on this particular video. I'm going to put split, tap on split, and then I'm gonna tap on, for this everything right, I'm gonna tap delete, okay? And then I'm gonna tap off of everything, bring back the audio, tap on the audio, select split here, and delete. And then there's this CapCut watermark or whatever. Just tap on that and tap delete, okay? And I'm gonna play the final product for you. So we just put that on full screen. Let's play this and see what it looks like. Hello folks, this is Ted White, and today I'm gonna show you how to sync audio and video for multicam editing in CapCut Mobile Pro version. Let's check it out. All right, and as you can see, it just picked up that last little bit. So I'm just going to go off of full screen and we can just cut a little bit of this end here. So what I'm gonna do is cut. So I'm gonna put a split and then I'm just gonna delete that. And then that should end off the way it should. All right, folks, so I know this was a few steps, but the more you do this, the quicker you'll get at it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped you out and I hope you have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.